Today, we're diving into the world of Twitter and exploring how you can actually turn it into a money-making machine. Step 1. Build your audience. First things first. Grow your Twitter following. Share high-quality content, engage with others, and find your niche. The bigger your audience, the more attractive you become to potential partners. Step 2. Sponsored tweets. Brands love influencer marketing. Once you have a solid following, reach out to companies that align with your niche and offer sponsored tweets. You'll promote their products or services for a fee. Step 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love through affiliate links. When someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn a commission. Choose products relevant to your audience for a natural fit. Step 4. Sell your own products or services. Twitter is a great platform to showcase your skills or products. Are you a writer, artist, or consultant? Offer your services or sell your creations directly through tweets and DMs. Step 5. Twitter Ticketed Spaces. Twitter Spaces is an audio chat feature. Ticketed Spaces allow you to host exclusive audio discussions for paying listeners. Share your expertise or interview interesting guests for a revenue stream. Step 6. Explore Twitter. X Monetization Program. Twitter is testing a program called X. If you qualify, you can potentially earn a share of ad revenue generated by ads displayed in replies to your tweets. There you have it. With these options, you can turn Twitter into a money-making machine. Remember, consistency and audience engagement are key. Now go forth and tweet your way to success. Leave a comment below with your Twitter handle and let's connect. Also, let me know what kind of content you'd love to see on this channel. Thanks for watching.